Here we have our Arduino Uno board. This one is ultrasonic sensor, and this is servo motor. Now let's join the positive terminal of ultrasonic sensor to 5 volt of Arduino Uno and negative terminal of ultrasonic sensor to GND pin, and again the positive terminal of servo motor to 5 volt and negative terminal of servo motor to GND pin of Arduino Uno. Now connect trick pin to digital 11 pin and eco pin to digital 10 pin of Arduino Uno. Now join the signal pin of servo motor to digital 9 pin, and our condition is 10 centimeter. So when it is below 10 centimeter, the servo motor turns 90 degree, and when it is higher than 10 centimeter, the servo motor comes back to its original position. Now let's see the code for this circuit. So here we have our code. In this code we don't have to change much. We just have to change two things. First is the distance. Okay, so this distance is the distance of your hand from the ultrasonic sensor, as you can see here. Ultrasonic sensor. Okay, in my case it is actually 10. Okay, but this could be different. In your case it might be 5. In your case it might be 15 in your case. Okay, so you can change it according to the setup of your project, because maybe the position of your ultrasonic sensor is different than mine, or maybe you have a different type of hand wash bottle. So according to that you have to change this distance. The second thing which we have to change is the angle. Okay, so we have two angles. First is this one 0 degree, and second is this one 180 degree. Okay, these both of them are the angle of servo motors. In my case, yes, you can see it is from 0 to 180 degree. Okay, maybe in your case it could be different. Again, it depends upon the position of your servo motor, the length of your thread, and other things. Okay, so according to your project you can calibrate it. In my suggestion to calibrate it, first you should start from a very low angle like 0 to 30 degree. Okay, and test it for once. So after changing this, upload this program into your Arduino board and then check what results you are getting. So if you are not getting your hand wash liquid out of your hand wash bottle, then it is obvious that you have to change it to a higher degree. Then again, if you are not getting satisfying result, then again change it maybe to 90. This is how you can change these angle gradually. Okay, so don't start from 180 degree because it could break your thread, or it could detach your servo motor from your hand wash bottle. So start from a very low angle. So let's see the practical of this project.